Type something that is your pain, or the biggest pain, or something that is concerning you very much. Type, and I'm going to give you some guidance about that, and after I get a card just for that matter. I lost my husband. Will I have another relationship in my lifetime? Do you know what can answer that very good? The numerology. I am able to elaborate a numerological map for you with over 300 pages, and you can know about that. But despite this is the best resource for you get that answer, because you can know which arcane you are under vigilance right now in your life and the next years too, you know. But just the fact you are open heart are asking for that, I already can anticipate for you, yes, you can have another loving affective life with another person, relationship for sure, because you already are open, you are open to the life, and that is very good. I don't think we were born to be alone, and you are an amazing woman. You deserve somebody very special to take care of you, to love you as you love him. But you can comment anything in the meantime. Tell me some more. You are super welcome. My pleasure. I'm going to get a card about this matter for you. And here we go. I am safe in the universe, and all life loves and supports me. I could understand something here. I am safe in the universe, and all life loves and supports me. Look, don't ask the universe of God for somebody, for a new relationship, just because you are a little insecure or afraid. Because of this, I am safe in the universe, and all life loves and supports me. You don't need somebody to feel safe. God is enough. God is enough. Because when you feel safe for yourself, without depending of someone, a human being, then you are complete. You are playing to a healthy relationship. Then you are going to attract a very good partner, a strong partner. You have to feel safe, no fear, no feeling fear, cancel any negative thinking and feeling. Feel complete, feel safe with God. Because even with someone side by side us, we have to feel safe, complete, because God feel out us. Right? Exactly. If it come any negative feeling or thinking to you, just say it's canceled. It's canceled. Because God is enough for me. Look, I am safe in the universe, and all life loves and supports me. You have the support and love of the life, the own life itself.